Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. I am doing my first hair tutorial for you guys and I really love this video. I'm doing a bun hairstyle. As you can see, I already used this shampoo called CorieTips if I'm correct, and I'm just massaging it on my hair. My hair was really dirty and I've already washed it, and so I'm combing it out now. I'm also using this organics. It is a mayonnaise. You can use it to steam your hair, and I'm just applying a little bit on my hair just to moisturize my hair and keep it, moistured. And I'm using this Dark and Lovely sheen on my hair. It's like a oil, like a pink oil. It is very moisturizing and it will keep my hair from drying. I'm also applying a little bit of it on my scalp as well. I'm not so much of a oily hair person, but I just need to moisturize my hair so it's not too dry. And I am just brushing it out and also drying it as well. You want to make sure that your hair is kind of dry enough before you pack on any gel or spray gel or anything on your hair, just so that it's not itchy underneath by the time your hair is done. So I'm using my big brush to just brush it in place, and then I'm going to use my rubber band and just bond the hair all together. I hope enough, as high as you want it to be. I wanted mine to just be, directly on my head. And then I am weaving my ponytail. My hair is quite long. It used to be longer than this, but I have cut it so many times, and I think I'm still going to cut it again. Like, my husband really wanted me to be on short hair, I like my hair. So I'm just plaiting it. So plaiting it, and I'm just going to tie it together like a knot. Then I'm using this holding spray. It is called Atmosphere. I don't know from what country it is from, but it's called Atmosphere, and it really holds well, like really holds well, especially after you use your hand dryer. So I'm applying a reasonable amount, and I'm just going to brush it in place. Further apply a bit more at the back of my head as well. Make sure that everything is together, and I'm also using this thick brush to brush it as well. You can see that I'm also using this toothbrush. Guys, I do not like baby hair for anything. So I'm using my hair dryer to dry my hair. I wish I could have done a talk through for you guys, but there was so much noise. And I'm using this already braided hair. I can't remember where I got it from, but it already has like a ruffle on it. So I'm using it to hold my hair, and I'm just going to roll it over my own bun and just make it tight as possible. The color is kind of different from my hair because my hair color is not absolutely black, but it doesn't matter. And I'm going to secure it again with another rubber band. I'm using my teeth to double it. So I'm just going to apply it there. I'm going to double it as well so that it is tight enough. So I applied a little bit of holding spray again, and we're good to go. And voila, I really love the outcome of this look. Hope you do as well. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you.